Hi friends, the winter is about to end and in the winter season you get lot of carrots in the market. Today I am going to show you how to prepare carrot halwa. In the winter season you get red colored carrots. So these red colored carrots are cheap and you can buy in a lot of quantity and they are very sweet also. So I brought 1 kg and I have grated it. I cleaned it and then I grated it. It's 1 kg grated carrot. Then I have taken sugar. Then some broken almonds. I've cut the almonds into small bits. And cardamom. 1 cup of milk. Carrot halwa is very tasty and you can have it hot or you can have it cold. So, I have taken mawa also. This mawa or khoa, you can get it in the market or you can prepare it at home. I have put an earlier recipe about gulab jamun. In that you can see how to prepare mawa. I put a link of that also. So let's see how to prepare the gajar ka halwa. This cardamom you cannot use like this. You have to remove the chilkas, the outer covering, and put them into a mortar and pestle, and then powder it. Just crush it a bit, and then use. So I have kept a pan for cooking, and in that pan I'll add some ghee. Now that the ghee has melted or the clarified butter has melted, I'll add the grated carrot into it. So now I have added some milk. You have to stir it well. Then add some sugar. Add the mawa. I have given the recipe of the mawa in a previous video. You can check the video of making gulab jamun, and in that there is the recipe. So then add the cardamom powder and broken almonds. You can add pistachio, cashew nuts, raisins. is ready, we can shift it into we can put it into a serving dish.